Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is Master Python while loops with simple and clear programs. A while loop is used when you want to repeat a block of code as long as the condition is true. It is different from a for loop because for loop repeats a fixed number of times, while loop repeats until the condition becomes false. This makes the while loop useful for situations like waiting for user input, counting until a condition is met, or running programs that need continuously checking. Okay, so let's start this. So the first one is print the number from 1 to 5. So here we'll see how we can print the number from 1 to 5 using while loop. So this will print the numbers from 1 to 5 using the while loop. So let's see the output of. So here we can see we have printed the numbers from 1 to 5 using the while loop. Now the loop starts with I is equals to 1. It runs while I is less or equal 5. After printing I increases by 1 each time. When I becomes 6, the condition becomes false and the loop stops. Now the second one is add numbers until the total reaches 20. So this code will tell us and add the number until the total reaches 20. So this loop keeps adding numbers until the total becomes 20 or more. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is reverse a number. So now we will see how to reverse a number using the while loop. So here the loop extracts the last digit from the number and builds the reverse number step by step. So now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the reverse of the number we provided. So we provided 1, 2, 3, 4 and we got in return 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is keep asking for the user input until the user write stops. So here the loop continues until the user type stops. So let's see what output does it gives. So as we'll enter anything, it will ask us again until we type stop. So here we can see it stopped. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is print digits of a number one by one. So here we'll take a number. So here what happens is the loop prints digits from right to left in a reverse order and it will be printed line by line. So let's see the output of this. So basically a while loop is powerful because it keeps running as long as the condition is true, which makes it perfect for continuous checking, waiting for events, interactive user input, repeating tasks without knowing the exact number of repetitions. By practicing these examples, you know how to understand while loops work step by step, play around with the conditions and value to get even more comfortable with loops. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.